In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically dimension a side in AutoCAD Smart Dimensioning. Smart Dimensioning is a quick, reliable way to label lengths, angles, and distances without guessing which dimension tool to use. AutoCAD looks at what you click and chooses the right type automatically so you can focus on clarity and accuracy. Let's walk through it from start to finish. First, make sure you're on the Annotate tab along the ribbon. This tab brings all your annotation tools to the front, including dimensions, text, and leaders, so everything you need is in one place. You can be on the Home tab as well, but Annotate is designed for this workflow and makes the process more straightforward. Next, activate the Smart Dimension tool. You can click the Smart Dimension button on the Annotate tab or simply type DIM and press Enter. Using the DIM command is a great habit because it's fast and it works consistently across different drawings and workspaces. Once the tool is active, your cursor changes to reflect that you're in dimension mode. Now, select the object or side you want to dimension. Click directly on a line, arc, circle, or the edge of a solid. AutoCAD will read the geometry and automatically determine whether the result should be linear, aligned, angular, radius, or diameter. If you hover for a moment, you'll see a live preview of the dimension type that will be created. Aim for clean, intentional picks. Snapping to endpoints or midpoints helps ensure your measurement is exact and aligned with the geometry. Finally, place the dimension. Move your cursor away from the object to set the location of the dimension line. As you move, you'll notice the dimension flips or aligns depending on your cursor position, giving you control over readability. Click once to place it. Keep the dimension slightly offset from the object so it's legible and not tangled with your drawing. Consistent spacing and alignment make a big difference when you're dimensioning multiple sides in the same view. If the preview doesn't look right, just adjust your cursor angle or distance before you click, and AutoCAD will reformat the dimension to match. And that's it. You switched to the Annotate tab, activated Smart Dimension, selected the side or object, and placed a clean, readable dimension. With a little practice, this becomes a smooth two-click habit that speeds up your documentation while keeping your drawings precise and professional.